So I'm watching this show, and these are the 5 different types of string theory. You can see them all there. What I'm wondering is, why can't all 5 of these things exist at once? Like, why are we so closed-minded that we just can't... I don't know, it seems like a limitation of our mind that we can't accept that all of these could exist at once. So we kind of concluded string theory must be wrong is what we concluded instead, just because there's not one. What if there's just 5 different types of strings and this is like the way reality works? I don't understand. So I'm going to play this so you can hear what they're saying. To me, this seems like it makes sense. Some of the strings act like gravity, some act like the other forces. Listen to this.
Switching back on themselves like elastic bands. They had no ends. Between themselves, the internal dynamics of these 3 theories also differed slightly. The strings in each case behaved in different ways. The type 1 theories also included closed strings, but in addition, open strings. These were not closed, but instead had endpoints vibrating at the speed of light like a perpetually cracking whip.
What's wrong with that?
Closed strings differed in their interactions. While the closed strings behaved more like gravity, the open strings behaved like generalization of the electromagnetic, weak, and strong forces.
What's wrong with that?
And so, 5. 5 is not a large number, however, it posed a puzzle.
Wow.
5 is not 1.
Why does it have to be 1?
An arrogant physicist hoping that string theory might be the unique theory. Even 2 would have been 1 too large.
What? This is ridiculous. What? Why can't we just accept reality the way it is? If it's 5, and that's what the math suggests, why not just try to figure it out instead of saying it has to be 1? Like, it's so dumb and monkey brain. We have to start expanding and thinking beyond these like human limitations and like this lack of creativity. It's very possible there's 5 strings. Like, go ahead and describe a Calabi manifold to me without having something crazy like 5 different sets of strings to make that structure. That structure's insane. So there's no reason that there can't be 5 different strings. There's just not. I guess I should have let the video play for a couple more minutes, because listen to this.
The 1980s studying 5 string theories are like the blind townsfolk touching the elephant. And that is because today we think of each of these 5 theories as different limits, different boundaries of a single underlying object.
Thank you.
Both deeper and more mysterious. Not an elephant, but M theory.
M theory.
The M stands for mystery, magic, or something else has been left open to interpretation. Of course, the idea that 5 similar but different string theories were actually aspects of one single whole is bizarre.
Yes! We figured it out. It took 20 years too many, but we figured it out. I'm so glad that my last video, I'm going to piece these all together into one to show that process. When the math is telling you something and you don't like it because it has to be 1 instead of 5, I think follow the math. I think open your mind. I think start to view the world differently. This M theory is my new favorite theory, even though I don't know what it is yet. I gotta play the video. But I love it for the sheer fact that it accepted that 5 theories of string theory can all exist at the same time. I love it for that reason. It's my new favorite theory. I'm gonna go watch what it is now.